Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the laptop is powered and updated. You need an admin account and a recent backup of credentials. Once done, open Sign-in options and choose Fingerprint. You will remove any existing fingerprint records first. This clears corrupted templates. Next, pick Add a Fingerprint and follow on-screen prompts. Move your finger slowly and slightly vary placement so the sensor captures multiple angles. This step ensures the sensor builds a robust template rather than a single fragile image. You must clean both the sensor and your finger. Oils and debris cause failures. Then begin capturing the print. Press gently, lift halfway, and reposition to capture edges. Make at least 3 to 5 partial lifts covering center and edges to create a composite template. If the system warns about low quality, redo immediately. Do not rush. Once the template shows high confidence, pause to let the system finalize. This composite approach reduces false rejects and improves matching speed. You finish by testing the fingerprint unlock with 5 varied attempts, different angles, pressure, and finger rotation, to confirm reliability. If 2 or more attempts fail, immediately delete the template and re-enroll using the same varied captures. If failures persist, update or reinstall the fingerprint driver and firmware. Make sure you download the OEM driver for your model. For stubborn issues, check Event Viewer or the vendor utility for error codes. Then escalate to support with logs and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.